trip to Osaka. This time I'm having my Ichiran ramen. Okay, I'm heading to Ichiran right now. It's near the bridge on Dotonbori. You have to go for a long queue. Of course, Ichiran is famous in Japan. Inside of Ichiran Ramen located. And this is the inside of Ichiran Ramen. I've been to Ichiran Shinjuku last March. This time I'm trying this one, Ichiran in Dotonbori, Osaka. Okay, there's cold water, and here are the pictures inside the Ichiran Ramen restaurant. They serve your boiled egg, utensils, refilling station water, it's called. And that's my bottled water from still from the Philippines, because I just flew in from Philippines to Osaka. I'm waiting for my ramen to serve. Look at those cutlery. They're beautiful, very nice. The cutlery is also very nice. There's some note. The egg is hard to peel, the color is too dark, etc., etc. Some information regarding your food. Ichiran Ramen is famous in Japan, so every time we come in, there's always a long queue. So while I'm waiting, I'm peeling my boiled egg. Still fresh. On that window, they're gonna open it and serve your ramen. And they will bow as a sign of, I don't know, it's a respect or etc. There's a chopstick as well. And napkin. As you can see on the video, that's my first tattoo in Buscalan Mountain Province, 2,000 years later. Ichiran Ramen is always busy, so you expect a little bit of time consuming. By the way, there are some signage. Maybe if you have some comments and suggestions, see. And it's written already, pre-made, written requisitions, no noisy, etc. It's been hung on the wall on your right side, and you can give it to them. You want extra noodles, cutlery, condiments, etc. There are so many good ramen house in Osaka, which I tried. And the other one is somewhere in Namba crossing intersection near the Namba Mall. besides the Money Changer. I don't know. I forgot the name of the restaurant. But when I arrived on that night, I tried the ramen because I'm starving already. So I went inside and I ordered the ramen. It was amazing. The taste was so good. I went there. I went back, I think like 3 times, lunch and dinner. It was always amazing. I recommend that restaurant, but I forgot his name. Here we go. They served my ramen already, and this guy is gonna bow upon serving. Here we go. They bow and close the window. Tada! Itadakimasu! Look at the ramen bowl. It's ceramic. It's heavy. Looks amazing. Okay, let's dig in. Yum yum. The ramen, the soup was good. But as I said, there are so many ramen restaurants outside. Not only Ichiran. When I was in Shinjuku, there's a ramen. It's called Ichikahuya. When you're in Shinjuku, try the ramen house Ichikahuya. It's in the intersection of it's in front of the Kabukicho and Shinjuku. Ichikahuya. I'm enjoying my ramen. Nice ramen from Ichiran. Very famous in Japan, but there are plenty of other nice ramen around, not just Ichiran. You can see the big plate, big portion, big serving. Yum! The broth's very tasty. As you can see, the plate is different. It's square, it's heavy. It's worth the money. It's not very expensive. With a bowl of soup, very nice. You should try it one day. The meat is very tender. They have seaweed. They come with vegetable. And the broth is very thick. Very rich broth. As you can see, demolishing my plate. It's very nice. As you can see, I'm taking my time having my noodles, as I have plenty of time. I don't have any next itinerary, so I'm just taking my time enjoying my ramen. Because when I get there, it's a long queue, so let them wait until I finish my ramen noodles. Hey, pinakita yung tattoo pa, nagbabalat ahas. Yan yung tattoo niya, oh. Yan yung tattoo ko, guys, ha. Buskalan. Kaya po ang yan. Yan yung python, yan python. Nagbabalat. 1 week yan, 1 week ago. Kaya nagbabalat na siya after 1 week.
Eh po ay medyo mainit din yung noodles kaya hindi mo pwedeng apurahin. Siyempre mapapaso ang dila mo. Umuusok-usok pa siya.
Wala tayong ginawa kundi kumain ng itong holiday natin. Ganun lang naman talaga. Trabaho, kain, tulog. Pag nasa trabaho tayo, siyempre pag holiday, kain lang ng kain. Gastos lang ng gastos. Siyempre, hindi ka mag-enjoy sa holiday kung hindi ka gagastos. Ganun talaga. Kaya enjoy lang, kain-kain lang. Mainit na sabaw, porga ng ramen noodles sa Japan. Musok-usok pa, mainit. Medyo marami-rami rin tong noodles nila pag kinain mo. Malalim yung bowl. Kaya ganyan, medyo matagal natin ubusin yung ramen. Kasi madami siya tapos mainit pa. Hindi mo pwedeng higupin ang higupin mo, papaso dila mo, malalap na siya. Feeling ko, kailangan ko ng katulong para ubusin yung ramen ko eh. Kaso ako lang mag-isa. Kaya dahan-dahan lang kasi mainit. Yan. Tapos na nga ata yung katabi ko, yan ay nakagreen, nakikita niyo. Nauna pa siya natapos. Kasi nga dinahan-dahan ko kasi mainit talaga. Saka siyempre, hindi mo malalasahan yung pagkain kung inaapura mo yung pagkain. Yan, umalis na siya. Yung katabi ko, umalis na tapos na. Siguro maliit lang yung in-order lang kaya tapos na kagad. Sana nilibre ko na lang siya. Charot. Yan o, hindi na ata ako makahinga. One time outside ko. Ano na sabi niya? Hindi na makahinga. Nguya lang ng nguya. Ano na? Magtubig ka naman. Yan. Narinig mo ako. Kaya na ulit. Kaya mo yan. Ano ba? Ano pa? Sige na, kain na. Kaya mo yan, ubusin mo yan. Order mo yan eh. Tulong daw, tulong. Service na daw. Katakbo ka tayong kumakain eh. Hindi pa nagbabayad. Game ulit. Kain ulit tayo noodles. Konti na lang. Kaya mo yan. Igupin mo na kaya. Spell your time. Hooligan retainer. Yan. Narinig mo rin ako. Puro sabaw na lang pala yan. Kakagutom naman. Kakagutom manood. Oh, ba? May noodles pa. What, may noodles pa? Extra noodles pala yan. Okay, halo-halo. Next. Extra noodles pa more. Sila, yan si Kuya, alis na. Ginawa na yung bag.
Sige lang. Hayaan niyo silang umalis. Umalis na sila. Hindi pa tayo tapos kumain. Sila kuya tapos na. Nilakad pa sila. Malayo pa pupuntahan nila. Kaya nagmamadali sila. Tayo dito lang. Kain lang ng kain ng ramen. Yan. Kaway-kaway pa. Higop lang. Higop. Itsira ng ramen. Doon buri. Tapos din yan. Siyempre. Yun ang mahaba yung noodles. Hindi maputol. Meron tayong extra noodles binigay nila.